Hello and welcome to Blackboard and MyManagementLab. This is Linda Richardson, your instructor for OL 500. Today we're going to be looking at the overview of Blackboard, our learning management system, and MyManagementLab, the resource for this course. We're going to look at how to access these tools, and we will look at the use of these tools in our course. The first question is, what is Blackboard? Blackboard is a learning management system, otherwise known as an LMS. It provides an online classroom, and in that classroom we have a variety of tools that are available to us to help with our learning process. One of the tools that we'll be using in this course is our discussion board. We also have a receptacle area for articles and other videos that may be helpful during the process of this course. Other online classrooms contain things like wikis and blogs. There are a variety of tools that are available through the online classroom, and as you take additional online courses at Southern New Hampshire University, you will be exposed to all of these tools. Our online classroom contains all of the resources that you need to be successful. So let's take a look at how we're going to access Blackboard. This is the My SNHU site for my portal. Your portal may look fairly similar. You will notice two giant red arrows on the right-hand side of the screen. The easiest way to access Blackboard 9 is to click on Blackboard 9 under Applications. But another way to access it is to click on Resources. And when you do that, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. You will notice under the table of contents on the left-hand side, there is also a place to access Blackboard 9. No matter how you access it, you will come to the same location, which looks like this. This is my Blackboard space. Yours will look a little different because it will contain the courses that you are taking. This particular Blackboard space reflects the courses that I am teaching. Notice the two large red arrows again. The one on top indicates the recent announcements that have been made in my course. You will notice with all of the courses that you are taking, there will be the most recent announcements listed under your courses. And on the bottom there, under My Courses, I have an arrow pointing towards OL 500, our course for this term. If you click on this link, it will take you to the opening page for our OL 500 Human Behavior in Organizations class. You will always open to an announcement page. You will notice that I have two large red arrows here, again pointing to MyManagementLab and then to Course Tools. Access to MyManagementLab is very easy. You can just click on this in the Course Tool in the blue box here, or you can go to Course Tools, and within Course Tools you will find another area to access MyManagementLab. Both will take you to the same place, and it looks like this. So what is MyManagementLab? It's a repository for your e-textbook. It also contains simulations that you will be required to complete for this course. And it provides additional course materials and optional exercises. I encourage you to take advantage of these materials because you may be able to use some of this information in the text for your discussion boards as well as your final papers. And the optional exercises are interesting and enrich the knowledge gained in this course. When you click on MyManagementLab, this is the page it will take you to. You will notice on the bottom, under Register Now, there is a red arrow pointing to the student. You only need to register once, and you will use the code that has been provided to you when you purchase your access code through the SNHU bookstore. You will also use the code that I provided in announcements to take you directly to our course. After registration, you will always sign in on the top. And when we sign in, it brings us to a page that looks like this. Now you won't have instructor tools, but you will have a page that shows your upcoming assignments. It provides access to assignments, your study plan, your Pearson eText, a multimedia library, a self-assessment library. I strongly encourage you to take some time to poke around in this site, become familiar with it, get to know where things are. Another question that students frequently ask me is, where do I complete my assignments? That's a really good question. You'll complete the majority of your assignments in Blackboard. What type of assignments? Well, all of your discussion boards are located in Blackboard. Your homework in modules 2, 3, and 9 are completed via Turnitin, and your Turnitin assignments that lead to the final paper. In another presentation, I will show you the intricacies of Blackboard, and we will look at each one of these areas. Under MyManagementLab, which I will also refer to throughout the term as MyLab, you will be completing your simulations for modules 1, 4, 5, and 8. Thank you so much for attending this short presentation. I hope I was able to clear up any questions you may have regarding Blackboard and MyManagementLab. If you have any additional questions, please post them in general questions on the discussion board, or you can email me. I hope this was helpful. Have a good evening, and I look forward to seeing you in class.